and minnows. Are you ready to read? Good. Let's learn the letter E. Good. It sounds like eh, eh, eh. Good. Let's sing together.
Bad, bad, red, 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 tat, tad, tad, what, wed, wed, tat, ten, ten, pen, pen, den, men, set, set, what, wet, bet, get, leg, bag, peg, mag, west, west, pest, best, test, bend, send, friend, spend, heck, deck, check, tack, step, pap, sep, cap.
Yay! You did it! Good job! Okay, I'll see you next time.